Okay, hey everyone. I'm just hoping that you all are fine. Okay, so today we are going to start our chapter number 11. Finally, we are going to do this respiration in organism. Okay, first of all, what is respiration? I think most of you should know, respiration simply means breathing, to breathe. So respiration is the process, do highlight please. Respiration is the process in which oxygen is taken in to oxidize the food to release energy, and the bioproducts produced as a result are expelled out of the body. What it actually mean? I think you should normally understand it. Don't go into too deep. Respiration is the process of taking in oxygen. Okay, so you are taking in oxygen in your body and then you are releasing carbon dioxide outside the body. It simply means respiration. Okay, next, technically it is called aerobic respiration. So simple respiration is called, technically it is called aerobic respiration. Actually the word aerobic comes from the word air, so we all are doing this aerobic respiration, and the organism which respire this process and which are doing aerobic respiration are called aerobes. Means we human beings, animals, we all can be called aerobes. Okay, next, respiration in human beings. It can be studied into two parts. Respiration in human beings, actually how the respiration in our body in human beings occur, it occurs due to our respiratory system. It now the respiratory system can be studied in two parts. First one is respiratory organ and the second one is process of respiration. Okay, now one second, let me handle it. Okay, the first one, that is the first part of our respiratory system, are respiratory organ. Okay, let us do respiratory organs in detail. Okay, fine. So the first portion, the first part of our respiratory organ are nostrils. Nostrils, that is our nose. Second, pharynx and larynx. Third, trachea or windpipe, and fourth, last one are the lungs. First of all, let us study about nostrils, that are nose. So we breathe in air. We breathe in air through our nostrils. These two are nostrils of our nose, first and second, while passing through nasal passage, and this passage is called nasal passage. Okay, the passage or the path of our nose. Air gets filtered, moist and warmed in the falling base. So it doesn't mean that simply air is entering through our nose. No, air will, firstly the air will get filtered. ठीक है, we will study in this portion. Then the air will get moistened, means थोड़ा water की presence होएगी, dry air नहीं होएगी. Then the air will be warmed. Okay, first, fine airs are present in nasal passages which trap unwanted particles from the air such as dust, smoke, pollen, means from plants, germs, etc. So the first one is that fine air, there are very small, so many small airs are present, here are present. Okay, so there are very fine hairs, small hairs are present in our nose, this nasal, in the nasal passage, so they will filter the air. Okay, second, lining of nasal passage secretes mucus which further traps unwanted particles from the air and makes it clean. Again, first here the air is filtered, next again air is cleaned, okay, by the lining of nasal passage. Third one, lining of nasal passage richly supplied with the blood capillaries which release heat. Obviously these are blood capillaries, okay, in which the blood is present. So these blood capillaries will release heat. Okay, तो obviously heat release होएगी तो air ਨੂੰ ਕੀ कर देगी, warm बना देगी, गर्म कर देगी. Okay, caution, always breathe through your nose and not through your mouth. Never breathe through your mouth. Okay, because there is no any filter in the mouth, है ना. Next, why do we sneeze? And you should always read these type of interesting columns. Why we sneeze की ਹੁੰਦੀ है shink है ना. Sometimes foreign particles are not trapped by hair of nasal passage and they irritate the inner skin of passage है ना. So that's why they cause sneezing. Pharynx and larynx, our second portion. Pharynx. What is pharynx? It is a common chamber for food and air to enter into food pipe and windpipe respectively. Okay, so pharynx is a type of chamber or type of a box in which food enter into the food pipe and air enter into the windpipe. Okay, larynx. What is larynx? It is a small chamber before windpipe. It is also called voice box. Okay, so we all know that we are talking, we are speaking, we are singing. It is all because of our voice box. This voice box is called larynx. Third, trachea. Okay, trachea. It is called windpipe actually. Trachea is a narrow pipe that runs in throat. What is throat? Our neck. Okay, our neck along with the food pipe. It is supported by cartilaginous rings which prevent it to collapse. So simply trachea, this is our trachea or windpipe. It is a narrow pipe as we can see. Okay, and it runs along with the food pipe. Here food pipe is not shown, but you can simply imagine. Okay, next, so trachea or windpipe is this one. We can see the white portion. Okay, and it is covered by the rings. So these are actually the rings to prevent it, because actually the trachea or windpipe is too soft so that it do not get collapse means break down. That's why it is protected by these rings. ठीक है, bony rings. Next, lungs. Okay, lungs are the main respiratory organs in our body. We all know that lungs are so important portion of our body. Next, these are a pair of pink colored, spongy and highly elastic bag-like structure present in the anterior part of our body. After entering into lungs, each bronchi branches into fine and still finer branches called bronchioles. See, let us see its pronunciation. It's bronchioles. Each bronchiole finally ends into a tiny balloon-like sacs called alveolus. See, first of all, in our lungs, see, let us watch from here. Okay. So, trachea gets splitted or divided into two parts. है ना? So these parts are called bronchus or bronchies. These bronchi again get subdivided into more parts. These subparts are called bronchioles. Okay, I hope you are getting clear. Okay, so these are bronchioles, small parts. Then again each bronchiole finally ends into a tiny balloon sac called alveolus. Okay, so these are bronchioles. These are bronchiole, and each bronchiole is getting divided into a tiny means small balloon-like structure. These balloon-like structure are called alveolus. Okay, or alveolus or either plural किया जाएगा alveoli. Okay, these are same thing, or these are also called air sac. Okay, sac means bag. Okay, so bag of air. Next, so the next one is process of respiration. Okay, this is our next topic. So what does the process of respiration includes? Process of respiration can be studied in two parts. First one is external respiration or breathing. Second is cellular respiration. Okay, let me make it clear. Okay, so first one is external respiration or breathing. Second is cellular respiration. What is external respiration or breathing? It simply concerns with the intake of oxygen and the expelling out of carbon dioxide in the environment. Okay, you are simply taking oxygen inside your body and then you are expelling out carbon dioxide in the environment. Cellular respiration, it concerns with the utilization of oxygen to release energy from the food in the cells. So the above, this is your simple respiration, breathing, and what is this? This is your utilization of oxygen to release energy. ठीक है, सो फूड ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਫੂਡ ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰੇਗਾ, એનર્ਜੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰੇਗਾ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸੈਲਸ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਜੋ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਸੈਲਸ ਬਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਸੈਲਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ એનર્ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਵਿਦ ਦ ਹੈਲਪ ਆਫ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ, ਓਕੇ, ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਦੀ ਯੂਟੀਲਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਕੇ, ਦਿਸ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਕਾਲਡ ਸੈਲੂਲਰ ਰੈਸਪੀਰੇਸ਼ਨ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, breathing, although we will always talk about external respiration or breathing, we will not talk much about this cellular respiration. Clear? Next, breathing or external respiration, this is explained further. First one is ventilation. Okay, ventilation or simply breathing, this is the same thing that we are talking about. Okay, taking enough oxygen rich air into the lungs is called inhalation. Okay, let's start from here. Ventilation, it consists of two processes, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation. What is inhalation? Taking enough oxygen rich air into the lungs is called inhalation, and giving out of carbon dioxide rich air out of the lungs is called exhalation. Simple. Okay, then the air we breathe, that is inhale, contains 20% of oxygen and 0.03% of carbon dioxide. जो एयर तुसी अपने अंदर लैके जा रहे हैं ਆਪਾਂ इनहेलेशन ਦੇ दौरान, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, it will contain 20% of oxygen and carbon dioxide ਦੀ ਅਮਾਉਂਟ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, 0.03% only. Okay, and exhalation, ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ 에ਅਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, exhalation ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, it will contain 60% of oxygen and 4% of carbon dioxide. Okay, ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਡਾਈਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਹੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, no, ਇਨਫੈਕਟ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਬਟ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਡਾਈਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਜੋ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਹੈ ਐਜ਼ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਵਨ, ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਹਾਈ ਹੋਏਗੀ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਵਾਈਲ exhaling out. Okay, next topic is very simple and interesting. Breathe and breathing rate. One breath consists of one inhalation and one exhalation. ठीक है, ਆਪਾਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਬਰੀਥ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਇੱਕ ਸਾਂਸ ਕਦੋਂ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਇਨਹੇਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਈ, ਅੰਦਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਗਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਵਾ ਨੂੰ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਕਸਪੈਲ ਕੀਤਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਬਾਹਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ, ਕਾਰਬਨ ਡਾਈਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ, ਐਕਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੀਨਸ ਵਨ ਇਨਹੇਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਡ ਵਨ ਐਕਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਏਗੀ, ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਵਨ ਬਰੀਥ ਬਣਾਏਗੀ। ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਨੈਕਸਟ, ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਟਾਈਮਸ ਆ ਪਰਸਨ ਬਰੀਥ ਇਨ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਬਰੀਥਿੰਗ ਰੇਟ। 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਪਰਸਨ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਿੰਨਾ ਉਹ ਬਰੀਥ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬਰੀਥ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ ਬਰੀਥਿੰਗ ਰੇਟ। ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਹੈ, ਉਹ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 10 ਵਾਰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, 10 ਬਰੀਥ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਬਰੀਥਿੰਗ ਰੇਟ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, 10। ਓਕੇ, ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਓਕੇ, ਨੈਕਸਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਆਫ ਵੈਂਟੀਲੇਸ਼ਨ। ਬਰੀਦਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਐਕਚੁਅਲ 'ਚ ਬਰੀਦਿੰਗ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆ, ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਸਿੰਪਲ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਇਨਹੇਲੇਸ਼ਨ, ਸੇਮ ਥਿੰਗ, ਇਨਹੇਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਡ ਐਕਸਹੇਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਇਹ 'ਚ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ। ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਏਗਾ, ਡਾਇਗਰਾਮ ਦੇਖੋ। ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਯੂਅਰ ਲੰਗਸ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਲੰਗਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉੱਪਰਲੇ ਕੀ ਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਰਿਬਸ, ਬੋਨੀ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੋ ਇੰਟਰਨਲੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਟ ਨੀਚੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਿੰਕ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਔਰ ਰੈੱਡ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਦਿਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ, ਦੈਟ ਆਰ ਆਵਰ ਲੰਗਸ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਉੱਪਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸੌਫਟ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਲੰਗਸ, ਤਾਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਜੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੋਨਸ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਰਿਬਸ। ਓਕੇ, ਜੋ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਨੀਚੇ, ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਡਾਇਫਰਮ। ਜਦ ਇਨਹੇਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਅੰਦਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਹਵਾ ਨੂੰ, ਡਾਇਫਰਮ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਕੰਟਰੈਕਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਸੁੰਗੜ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਤੇ ਰਿਬਸ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਇਹ ਰਿਲੈਕਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਵਰਡ ਮੂਵ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਓਕੇ, ਰਿਬ ਕੇਜ ਐਕਸਪੈਂਡਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ, ਐਕਸਪੈਂਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਬਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਐਕਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਏਅਰ ਐਕਸਲੇਟ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਬਾਹਰ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਵਾ ਛੱਡੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਡਾਇਫਰਮ ਰਿਲੈਕਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਰਿਬ ਕੇਜ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਛੋਟਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਉਲਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਨੀਚੇ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਡਾਊਨਵਰਡ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਰੋ ਦਿਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਡਾਊਨਵਰਡ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਸਿੰਪਲ, ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ inhalation and exhalation. Okay, next topic we will do in the next video.